Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is I am gonna show you of how thick is the snow in my place. So here we go, it's over there. Let's go. This is how thick the snow in my place. Ta-da! Look at this. It's so thick. Like how many inches? I don't know. This one. Here. Yeah. Look, that's how thick is snow here in my place. Look, ta-da! It's cute, not so thick. Then, nandito na. Parang cake lang eh, no? Cake. So, yan yun. Alright, so here is the another view. This is the table. And this is the bench, the chair, or the where you gonna sit. It's nice, no? It's so thick. Look. Like that. Like this. Looks like a cake. A big cake on the table. So thick. Okay, so I'll try to make a snow angel. So I am gonna try to make a snow angel. I'm gonna make it somewhere over there. Okay. Okay, let's try here. Like that. Snow angel, snow angel, snow angel. It's so thick. Oh my gosh, I cannot stand. Okay, look at that. That's my snow angel. There's my wings. See? Cute. See? My snow angel. It's cold. Okay guys, over there is deep snow also, so let us see if how deep it is. There. So deep. It's so cold! Oh my goodness! It's so cold! Oh my goodness! for you, my friends. Snow for you. Go and take it. Take it. Naglalaro ang bata. One, two, three. Ay, natanggal yung hat ko. I think I'm done. Ay, ang saya. Ang saya maglaro sa snow. Look at that, guys. Our roof got an icicles. Icicles.
One eternity later.
Today is 54 degrees Fahrenheit. And the full of snow's gone. Look at that. My snow angel was there. Snow angel, and here's the bench, the picnic table. It was full of snow before, and now it's melting. It's ice. It's ice now. It's ice. It's melting. It's cold. It is ice, guys. Oh my gosh. My got an ice on my boots. Oh my goodness. Nice na yung boot ko. Balik sa agi. So, natas balay. Cold. My feet. Both. My feet are cold. So, natas balay na. Wala pa mong ko'y medyas. Guys, I have a previous videos that there's a snow challenge, part 1 and part 2. If you wanna watch some of it, you can go and watch and enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell for more uploads. Bye!